Well, good afternoon and welcome. Today is Friday, September 18th, and my name is Nora Triola, and I want to welcome you to today's CEO broadcast. David is busy doing other things right now, so I'm subbing for him, and we've got a couple of important updates for you for this week's CEO broadcast. So let's get right into it. First and foremost is our update on the COVID-19 pandemic meets flu season. And we know that we have done such a good job, and you particularly, in social distancing and hand washing and wearing those masks vigilantly. But now we're heading into this season, and staying healthy is ever so important. And so we know you love what you do. We want you to take care now of you. And so we're asking you to get that flu shot. We're going to make it really easy, more details to come. But we want you to protect yourself, your loved ones, and certainly our clients as we continue to see this pandemic on top of flu. We're going to make it no cost, easy to obtain, vouchers. The ideal time frame is mid-September through October, so we have some time for more specifics, and your office and directors will be in contact with you. But remember, get ready to meet the flu season head on and get your flu shot. To do also now, as we always do, what I think is the most important is our recognition and expression of gratitude. Here you see a beautiful picture of one of our habilitation techs, Ariel, caring for two of our amazing clients in state colleges in PA. And really in honor of the direct support professionals, which we're celebrating this week, we want to acknowledge each and every one of you for the tremendous work that you do and how meaningful it is to each and every client in living their best life and achieving their optimal outcomes and keeping our clients safe and well cared for during this pandemic. You can see them in the face shields, Ariel in her face shield and her surgical mask, and just want to say thanks again for all you do. Have a great week. Keep safe, stay healthy, and get ready for your flu shot. We'll see you next week. Thanks again.